Feel like your paycheck disappears the second it hits your account? There's a dead simple budgeting rule that can change that, and it takes 60 seconds to set up. This is the 50-30-20 method. No spreadsheets, no guilt, just a clear structure to help you control your money without obsessing over every dollar. Here's the breakdown. 50% of your take-home income goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, 20% goes to savings or debt payments. That's it. No overthinking. No tracking 84 categories. You just plug in your income and start divvying it up. Let's say you take home $2,500 a month, $1,250 for rent, groceries, bills, needs, $750 for fun, dining out, hobbies, wants, $500 to savings, investments, or extra debt payments. It's not about perfection. It's about having a plan. This is where most people trip up. Needs equals non-negotiables. Rent, utilities, minimum debt payments, groceries, not sushi takeout, actual groceries, transportation to work. Wants equals everything else. Subscriptions, new clothes, gym memberships, coffee runs, takeout, weekend stuff. The trick is to be honest. Just because something feels necessary doesn't make it a need. Streaming services, want. Uber Eats, want. If your needs are eating up 60, 70, or more of your income, don't panic. A lot of people live in high-cost cities or have student loans. The fix? Shrink the wants category temporarily. Maybe you put just 10% toward fun and boost savings later. Or maybe you focus your 20% on killing high-interest debt first, then build up savings. The 50-30-20 method is a guideline, not a life sentence. The real win is knowing where your money goes and adjusting intentionally. Most budgets fail because they feel restrictive. This one builds freedom into the plan. You've got 30% to spend on stuff you like, guilt-free. It's also flexible. Get a raise? Cool. Split it using the same percentages. Pick up a side hustle, treat it as bonus income, and pump it straight into the 20% category. Want to retire faster? Flip it to 40-20-40 and save aggressively. It grows with you, and it scales whether you make $2,000 or $20,000 a month. Ever tried the 50-30-20 method? Or do you budget a different way? Drop your strategy in the comments. I read all of them. And if this helped, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more no BS money content. Here's the takeaway. Spend 50% on what you need, 30% on what you enjoy, and 20% on your future. No guilt, no guesswork. Just a structure that puts you in control. Try it for 1 month. Watch what happens.